All right. AI thumbnail generators are becoming absolutely everywhere right now. And honestly, most of them either create thumbnails that look super generic, or they go way too hard trying to imitate viral YouTubers and end up looking fake, messy, or straight up unusable. But today, we're checking out something called Thumbs.AI, an AI-powered thumbnail creation platform designed specifically for YouTube creators, and who promises that generating thumbnails, cloning styles, testing prompts, uploading my own images, recreating existing thumbnails is a lot faster, easier, and more accurate. We'll see. So first, what exactly is Thumbs.AI? Thumbs.AI is basically an AI-powered thumbnail generation platform focused mainly on YouTube creators and content marketers. Instead of manually designing thumbnails in Photoshop or Canva for 1 or 2 hours, the idea here is that AI helps generate multiple clickable thumbnail concepts within seconds.
Now, based on the platform itself and publicly available information, as there isn't any public details yet about their company and founders yet, Thumbs.AI appears to be a relatively new AI startup focused specifically on thumbnail optimization and creator tools. But what is very clear is the direction they're targeting: high CTR, or click-through rate, modern YouTube-style thumbnails. And you can immediately see the influence of today's viral YouTube ecosystem. We're talking high contrast, bright colors, dramatic facial expressions, big readable text, clickbait psychology, and thumbnails clearly optimized for grabbing attention on mobile screens. The platform heavily markets itself around improving CTR, which honestly makes sense because your thumbnail is basically the front door to your video. Even if your content is amazing, if nobody clicks, the algorithm just doesn't care. And that's exactly the problem Thumbs.AI is trying to solve.
Now let's talk pricing, because this is where people usually decide whether a tool is worth trying or not. And surprisingly, Thumbs.AI actually has a decent free trial system. New users currently get 20 free credits immediately after signing up, which equals roughly 10 thumbnail generations. Then, after launching your first generation task, you receive another 10 free credits, or around 5 more thumbnail generations. So before paying anything, you can actually test the platform properly and see if the output matches your channel style. But of course, there are features that you won't be able to use in the free tier. Now for the paid plans. At the time I'm recording this video, the yearly premium plan is around $11 monthly and includes 160 credits per month, which translates to roughly 80 thumbnail generations, since most generations consume 2 credits each. Then there's the ultimate plan at around $29 monthly with commercial usage rights, priority queue access, and higher-end generation models. And finally, there's the master tier for agencies or creators generating thumbnails at large scale at $71. When you go month-by-month renewal of subscription, it naturally goes higher at $19, $49, and $119 respectively.
Now, compared to Canva Pro or Adobe Express, Thumbs.AI is actually priced fairly competitively if your primary goal is specifically YouTube thumbnails. Because Canva and Adobe are broader design suites, while Thumbs.AI is laser-focused on just making clickable thumbnails fast. It is not a replacement tool for these established ones, but rather a new specialized machine for thumbnail idea generation.
Setting up the platform is honestly super easy. It has no desktop version, and everything is done through their website, Thumbs.AI. You just need to create an account, verify your email, and you immediately land on the generation dashboard. Once logged in, you are immediately relocated to the Explore page, where you get to see the whole application at a glance.
And one thing I noticed immediately, the interface is surprisingly clean. A lot of AI tools today feel cluttered or overwhelming with a million buttons everywhere. Thumbs.AI actually keeps things pretty straightforward. You have the Create Thumbs options from the bottom of main panel or from the sidebar, which then has 2 main tabs for 2 workflow options. First is the Text to Thumbnail, where you can create a thumbnail from scratch by describing what you want. And below the prompt, you have optional items to refine the thumbnail, like the base template, which is a collection from Thumbs.AI that you can choose from. Then you can also try adding a face in the thumb, which you can change emotions or gestures, or upload any existing thumbnail to try and mimic its style. And you can choose the aspect ratio of the thumbnail you're creating, along with how many variations you want to create. And of course, more variations means more credits. The second tab for image to thumbnail is almost the same as the first, but this one heavily takes its inspiration from an existing thumbnail that you can reference from a file, a YouTube link, or any of your previous assets. The set of options below are the same as the first tab. Templates section is basically a library of existing thumbnails from popular YouTubers that you can reference. Downloaded lets you extract a thumbnail from an existing YouTube video. Assets and creations are the list of your previous Thumbs.AI projects.
My Face and Emotions section is where you can generate different face templates with whatever emotions you've generated. You can upload your picture here, then choose an emotion from the template or use a prompt to customize your own emotion. Thumbs.AI will then generate that emotion using your face, and these can be used in the thumbnails that you are going to create. Generation takes around 2 minutes to finish, which is a bit slow for me, but I guess working on a person's face and keeping the face's fidelity is a tougher task for the AI. And based on what I generated here, Thumbs.AI is doing a really great job. All generated faces here would pass as a legit face that I would have, showing all these emotions. Great job!
All right, so let's actually use the tool. I will be showing all the prompts that I'll use in this demo, but will not read it word by word anymore. Feel free to pause the screen if you want to read the prompt. For my first test, I tried uploading my own face photos. And honestly, the AI did a pretty solid job creating dramatic YouTube-style expressions without completely ruining facial identity. Although occasionally, some generations still looked slightly uncanny or overprocessed. That's one limitation you should expect with current AI image technology in general. I then generated a tech review style thumbnail. I entered a prompt describing a dramatic smartphone review setup with glowing lights and bold texts. Generation speed was honestly pretty fast. This one is less than a minute, while the first one was only around 30 seconds. It depends on queue traffic, I guess. The first thing I noticed is that the AI heavily prioritizes readability. The thumbnails are clearly optimized to look recognizable even when tiny on mobile screens. That's actually super important because many AI image generators fail badly at thumbnail readability.
Now, we can't expect the text generation to be perfect all the time. There's usually occasional weird lettering or distorted typography when using AI, but I'm happy to inform that I have not experienced that here. Yet. But I also like to mention that I request 3 sets of texts in the prompt. The phone name and the visible liquid cooling texts were not generated. So if you are a perfectionist, I'd still recommend doing final text edits manually in Canva or Photoshop for professional level polish. But for me personally, this is already perfect. But as a thumbnail concept generator, very strong. I also tested the style cloning system with popular thumbnail formats, and this is honestly one of the strongest parts of the platform. The AI understands layout structure surprisingly well. It recognizes visual hierarchy, subject placement, lighting balance, color contrast, and emotional focal points much better than many generic AI art tools. Color me impressed. And as a YouTube creator, I am very excited to utilize this tool now, which will definitely make my workflow a lot easier and faster.
So after spending time with Thumbs.AI, here's my honest overall opinion. This tool's UI is clean. The workflow is beginner-friendly. The thumbnail psychology is actually very strong. And the platform clearly understands modern YouTube CTR-focused design better than most generic AI generators. I also think it's especially useful for small creators, faceless channels, shorts creators, gaming creators, reaction channels, and people uploading consistently who need thumbnail ideas fast. For the not-so-good, the generation time is inconsistent. Some generations took more than 2 minutes, while some just less than 30 seconds. Some outputs can also feel repetitive after many generations. And while style cloning is powerful, the idea definitely enters a gray area creatively if abused.
I also wouldn't fully replace professional manual thumbnail design with this if you're running a huge brand channel with highly customized branding systems, because in those cases, human refinement still matters. For someone like me who has a small channel, still has the usual 9 to 6 weekday jobs, and can only do YouTube videos on a weekend, so I need a rapid idea generation, the testing concepts, creating multiple thumbnail versions quickly, and speeding up production workflows, Thumbs.AI is a perfect companion for my workflow. Honestly, I think Thumbs.AI is pretty impressive. I'd personally describe it as an AI-assisted thumbnail accelerator rather than a full replacement for professional designers. And for the price, I think it's actually pretty reasonable if you upload consistently. If you only upload occasionally, you probably don't need it. But if you're posting weekly like me, testing thumbnails constantly, or maybe running multiple channels, I can absolutely see the value and would highly recommend.
So overall, I think Thumbs.AI is one of the more specialized and genuinely useful AI creator tools I've tested recently. It's not perfect, but it solves a real creator problem, making thumbnails faster while still keeping them clickable. And if you guys want to try it yourself, check out my affiliate link in the video description below. Remember, new users currently get 20 free credits immediately after signup, which is enough for around 10 thumbnail generations. And after your first generation task, you'll also receive another 10 bonus credits for around 5 additional thumbnail generations. So honestly, you can test the platform pretty thoroughly before spending anything. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. Nobayur.